So hey guys, welcome back to my this video, and how are you all of you? I hope you're fine. In this video we will discuss tomorrow's Nifty's and Bank Nifty's prediction and some of the stock also. So guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, as well as we have on the WhatsApp group. So if you are interested to join our group, you can be there. So we discuss over here about stocks and index also, free of cost. We provide some of the levels and targets on the daily basis. So let's get started to discuss about tomorrow's Nifty's and Bank Nifty's prediction. Guys, as you can see over here, today Nifty closed at around 11,131.80, means around 11,132, right? So let us discuss what will be happen on tomorrow or day after tomorrow, all that things. So I just open here the Nifty daily chart. And let's discuss before of some day I was said, that thing we will see first. Guys, I think if you remember that I was said this is a very important range is going on over here. This is now the Nifty will be goes in range bound phase, and last 1 2 3 4 5 session is completely Nifty is trading between these range only. So this is a very important range is going on over here. Once it broken, then we can be see another one rally in the Nifty in the upcoming days, right? So this is the level. I think I was given the level of upside target. This is an important level. The Nifty can be hit this before to goes down. I think I was said this one. So if hitting once, it can be moves down, but if you guys you can see it has the some of the times also. The whenever market is moving or whenever market shows us rally, so it be completely works on timing and completely works on the charts also, and wave also. Some of the special like new wave, L8 wave, or any other indicators or any other tools also, like the completely works on this, like Ganfan method, or like Fibonacci retracement, like time zone, Fibonacci time zone, or Fibonacci circle. So in this method the market is completely works, right? So you have to be remember these things before to take a position. Guys, I think I was predicted on the Friday the particular some of the banks will be goes down, and as you can see today the Bank Nifty was hit lower lows like around 800 points. It's not a joke to hit the low. And some of the, I think I was updated on the WhatsApp group, the important level is going on the Bank Nifty is 2200. Once it 2200 is crossed, the Nifty will hit another fall in the downside, right? So let us see what happened today. So you can see completely bearish candle we are seeing here. The when I think I was placed over here the lines, and I was predicted this is very important level. Once it's broken, can be we see another downside low. So like I was predicted I think around 11 o'clock, and afterwards the Nifty Bank Nifty hit around 200 points downside, right? So let us see where the our target has been hitted, right? This candle broken all the targets, right? I think I would like to place 15 minutes candle chart, so it can be better to understand, right? So I think I was placed over here when we are discussed on the Bank Nifty and Nifty on the group. So in that time the Nifty Bank Nifty was around at this level, and Nifty was at around this level. So I was given Nifty's targets and levels also. The Nifty, if once it broken 11,150, can be moves up. I was said on the group, right? So I was posted that thing also. Just I will zoom it out so we can be understand that better, right? So I was predicted when Nifty was traded around this one. I was given the level if the Nifty broke on the 50 levels, it can be shows us another rally, and afterwards you can see the rally shown us around. It hit the high of I think 83, means around we can see 83 means 23 points. Sorry, 20 23 33 points high, right, after this candle. And so this is very important level is going on right now, and I was predicted the Nifty and Bank Nifty was trade around in this level. But guys, you can see this level is very important. Once it broken, can be show another rally up to here, this level, right? So today's low at around this level, it hits the previous low, but unable to sustain below of this line, and suddenly it moves up. Once it broken and close below of this line, we can be expect these lines, and afterwards this we can be expect this line. So guys, it's a very high chances to move again the rally between this level, means 11,000 to 11,500 is a high chances to move in this week. So if you are taking some of the new position, or suppose you are interested to take a new position for the upcoming week, so before of this consolidation zone, you should not place a new order. It's my suggestion. Okay, and all these things I everyday explaining all that things to you all. So guys, this is overall overview. I'm going to tell you another thing. So currently Nifty is trending in the range bound phase. If you want to trade, so I explain that thing, so you have to be go according to that way, right? So now the important thing or important concept is what tomorrow the Nifty will be, where the Nifty will be traded, right? So guys, as you can see, the Nifty is closed below of this candle, means a high chance is to trade again between to this area. To if flat opening, the Nifty is flat opening, then can be moved between this area. If gap up open, can be suddenly profit booking will be start, and if the gap down open, can be again the profit booking will be start. Okay, right? So if Nifty open over here something around like 11,000 100 or 11,000 like 11,050, so Nifty will be start suddenly falls down, and it can be moves it can be try to touch at around like this area, like 11,020 at around, right? So this is very important area, and once it broken, can be reach another level, but I think it should not be happen, because as we can see, just I will take. So the high chances Nifty cannot be go below of this line in the upcoming week, like 10,900 should not be break, because once it broken, can be that the particular pattern will be broken, then we cannot predict perfectly after the once it broken, right? So as currently views, my prediction is around this area. Once it touch, can be falls down, or once it broken, can be move up again like 11,400 up to, or 11,500 up to. But I am expecting the Nifty should be moves down up to like this area, and then can be goes up. But first of all, it should be goes up, and it should not be cross this level. This is very important. Bank Nifty, as we can see, Bank Nifty is completely we are we can see here completely it's showing the downfall rally, it making the lower low and lower high, right? You can see here it's completely showing lower low, it lower low and lower high, then lower low, then lower high, then lower low. It's chances to high chances to come up to this level, and then can be moves again up. Once it broken, can be moves down up to this rally, right? But it's not possible, because as we can see, this rallies has been completed already, so it's not a perfect way to correction. So can be reached down up to this level. It's once it's already broken this high, so high chances to reach up to this area and can be moves back. Once it's broken, this level can be reach up to this area. So as we can see here, completely candle is completely bearish, but as per this candle we cannot see over here the volume is very low, but so we can be analyze this. This today's fall is not generated by the operator, right? So this candle has been generated by the retail traders. Like volume is not that much, so that's why we can be predict this is a fake, we can be say this is a fake movement or fake rally. So maybe it can be tomorrow, it can be moves around again, so above of this one. All right, so today's rally is fake, so you can be observe this thing. And once it broken, can be we can be expect this level, right? So tomorrow we have to see tomorrow's rally, and I'm expecting should be touch like to this area. Once it can be bounce back from this area, we can be one more time can be expect another level. So it's a very important level is going on. This is completely range bound phase to discuss, right? So this is I was discussed before of some days. This is very important level. We can see here. I'm going to another time and make a mark, right? So as I was discussed, this area is very important is going on. Once it broken, we can be see another rally, but this is very important level. So till to break this level, you should not be goes for any another like positional trading, right? So you have to be wait to break out this level, right? So it chances to bounce back from this area. Once it broken, can be show another fall, right? So you have to be remember this thing. Okay, so I'm going to place this daily chart. So guys, you can see I'm okay, let us a weekly chart I will do here, right? So this candle, as I was discussed on I think on Friday something I was discussed, this candle is completely I'm looking like bearish candle. So very high chances to move down, but it will not sustain downside. It will be goes up because this candle is not that much bearish, right? You can see here, and today's volume is higher than this one, so chances to again it can be moves up to this area. So this is a range bound phase, again can be moves between this area, and as I said can be bounce back from this level, right? It should not be goes like this much. It will be I think it will be tomorrow, it will be bounce back from this area either, or it if it's broken, this area can be reach up to this level, right? So okay, guys, one more important thing I am going to discuss with you. I suggested on the group you guys have to be trade on like price action trading. Like what is the price action, what mean by price action, I'm going to discuss. Before of this I was discussed, but some of the new subscribers are here, they don't know what is the meaning of that. So what is the price action strategy, guys? You have to be just mark the higher level and the lower level of the first 30 minutes. So when it's whenever it's trading between this area, you should not be goes for the new position, right? Once it broken, can be goes to the new order, right? Once it broken, can be shows the another high. Here you can be see. So according to this way you have to be trade, right? So if today's if we see today's session, I'm going to show you another thing. What is the price action strategy? So I will make here, this is high and this is the low. You should not be place any new order before to break this line. Once it broken, can be see another rally, right? So this is called as price action strategy. I hope you understand this level. Okay, and let us discuss now about I'm going to place here 5-minute charts, and let us see RSI. Okay, just I will place 1 hour chart. Guys, you can see here completely it's falling down and is now here around it's oversold as per hourly chart. Means you can be see it's high chances to bounce back the bank nifty. I'm showing you about the bank nifty. It's a high chances to bounce back over from here, right? So if you guys are bearish on the bank nifty, you should not be go like that way. It's high chances to move up and again it can be fall down, right? So I will draw here from trend line, and just I will show something. So if it moves up, can be take resistance of this line, and if moves down it can be take support of this line, right? So today it's close around this support line, so chances is high chances to bounce back. It's else if it goes down, it high chances to move up to this RSI, right? Like I was this shown in the price chart. So it high chances to move up to this level, and high chances to again bounce back, right? So I hope you understand about the bank nifty. Let us discuss about this nifty chart. I will place here the nifty chart and RSI, and you can see here it's trending between the consolidation zone, but it's falling down continuously. Here you can be guys see it's continuously falling down, so high chances to fail again the nifty, and it will touch to this area. So it's a completely losing momentum, right? The nifty is losing its momentum, so it can be again it can be moved down. Okay. Sorry. So you should not be go for CE before to confirm any order, right? Whenever you are placing order, I hope you should be, if you are new, I hope you will be discussed with us before to place order. If we know that the answer, we will try to suggest you either you have to place or not, right? So this is concept is over here. Let us discuss about something special. NSE India will goes to NSE India's website, and we'll see the report. So this is equity stock which make the higher high and higher lows, and performance of today's the HCL Tech make lifetime high, right? Then Infosys also make its a lifetime high. Then Reliance makes also its a lifetime high. This is Infratel also. So this green signal means it's make its a lifetime high in the weekly or monthly or daily, right? First of all, we'll see some of the active securities. These are the active securities. Whenever you are trading for or any C or P, you should be choose I think you should be choose these stocks, right? Reliance, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, Infosys, SN Pen, Kotak Bank, SBI, and Axis Bank, or TCS. So these are the better for result, right? So you will be get better result if you goes through these stocks. First of all, we will check the most active calls. First of all, 11,200 is the highest open interest of calls. 22,500 is the highest open interest of the calls on bank nifty, and we'll see put bank nifty highest open interest on 22,000 and 21,500, and nifty is 11,000 and 11,100, right? So this is for tomorrow. So high chances to trade between 11,000 to 11,200 again. Okay, so today's most highest top 5 highest, these are the advance, these are the declines and unchanged, nothing. SN Penton, these are the top gainer and these are the top loser. SSA Bank lose very heavily today, but it recovers something. Okay, directly it fails 6.5%, right? So as I discuss on the group, it's a huge support at level 340, right? Okay, we'll see first of all reports of today. If we get this report, we can be analyze more. This is on 24th July at okay, 27 July. We can see the net investment around only 377 crore. It's still, these are the neutral, not positive or nor it's negative, it's a neutral, right? So high chances to market can be again consolidate in this zone as I was given on the chart, right? So these are the important level, guys. I think I have to be see over here India VIX, what's happening in the India VIX, and then afterwards we will see some of the stock. Like we will see first of all Reliance Industries, what will happen in the upcoming days. It's in the consolidation zone, okay, it's positive 0.25. okay, it's not moving high or not going down, like it's in the consolidation zone. Reliance, what will happen in the Reliance? Okay, Reliance is already overbought. So as I discussed on I think on Friday, it's already overbought, but this is now the huge resistance. As today it's a gap, I think it's a gap up open, and it's continuously upside. It's close above the previous close, right? Now we will see, as I was given you the target where it will be reached soon. So I hope you should be goes accordingly. Today's high, if you see today's high is at around 2197, means 2200 at around it hits today's high. Okay, so if we draw on this line, we can be see, right? So this is very important trend line I have drawn here. It's broken completely. It can be, if and it's today it's gap up open, but high selling pressure, due to high selling pressure it's fell down and started recover, and it's recovered very positively and close above the previous close, right? So chances to again it may be consolidate. It will not fail soon because it consolidate as I am analyzing here, and if it fail down, it has the again one more resistance or support over here. If fail from there, it can be take support of this level 2130, and if fails from there, we will see the huge support at 1978 around, right? Once it broken, can be fail huge down, right? So you guys have to be careful whenever you are trading on this. This is a complaint. Now if we are discussing about this, then this is and this is this, so we can't say if gap up open can be again moves up, its flat opening can be moves up. If gap up open can be again started booking the profit, and it can be reached at around like this area. So high chances to move gap up open of Reliance Industries again. ICICI Bank, as I discussed, ICICI Bank. Okay, so this is a huge support that I was discussed while discussing on the chart. So huge support can be bounced back from here. It's because it's already broken this area. This is a consolidation zone is going on, right? So once it broken, can be again we can be expect to this. So now if we are thinking about today's the very high volume over here, so high chances to bounce back from here. So if you are thinking about new C position, so you should avoid. I not recommend to take right now, or I not recommend to go today for or tomorrow for new position for CE, right? So high chances to. So in this thing also we have to be trade according to the price action strategy, right? If we talk about HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank is the same thing happening in the HDFC Bank, and it has the huge, it close at on the huge support level it's a high chances it fails down again. It can be it has the high support level at around this level, so like 1050 or 1060 at around. So if we are looking at around its chances to fail down again, but it should not break. If once it's broken this high, can be again chances to move like 10,000 sorry 1000. Okay, you have to be expect like this one. Okay, so if we talk about Infosys, so Infosys is in the consolidation zone, as I was discussed with you, and someone was asked me, sir, what I have to do for the new position. So it's a bullish. I said if gap up open, you can be go for new position. So as today it shows the good rally. So currently if you are discussing, so IT sector is completely bullish, like HCL. If you are talking about HCL, so HCL is making always higher high, like it's a gap of open and completely bullish, so high chances to go for the new position, right? It's given dividend on 23 July. It will be paid on 7th August. 6 rupees dividend has already paid. Okay, volume is not much high, but it high chances to move again upside. After one candle it can be goes again in the sideways, right? So if I'm going to another so okay, pharma, Sun Pharma I'm going to be discussed. Sun Pharma is completely consolidation zone, chances high chances to bounce back from here. So you guys have to be ready to bounce back of the Sun Pharma, right? Yes, high chances to bounce back from here. If not bounce back from here, it can be high chances to move down. So Sun Pharma you have to be remember one more time. Okay, I hope this is enough for today's discussion. And tomorrow's level, I am going to show you the tomorrow's level. I will plot over here Nifties and Bank Nifties. Bank Nifty, okay. So tomorrow if we talk about the Bank Nifty, can be this is the downside level, and the upside level again this one 22,000 or 23,000, and Bank Nifties again it will be remain same to this level to this level. If a gap up open, then can be reach up to this level, and then it can be if gap up open, the high gap up open can be fail down. Okay, before of that concluding this video, we'll see the Sjx Nifty. Well, the Sjx Nifty is trading, so it's trading at around 11,116. If we see the low of today's, it 1181. It has the support of 11,178, so it could not to break the support level, so high chances to again it can be sustained above or it. If tomorrow, I think we have to be pay attention to this Sjx Nifty, where does it trade, and according to that we will be goes to the new position, right? So guys, I think you understand. Thank you, have a nice day.